Convert purchase plans into verified terminal stock entries. Inventory stocking begins in the trade module to maintain optimal supply levels across all storage terminals. Accessing the purchase interface centralizes vendor commitments and tracks pending product arrivals for the OMC. The purchase order list displays active plans, delivery expectations, and total financial obligations for transparency. Linked bonds and customs entry documents reveal the underlying logistics chain, linking specific vessel arrivals to their respective purchase agreements. Generating stock-in triggers the transition from a financial commitment to a physical inventory movement record. Successful system validation confirms that the stock-in is ready for detailed terminal processing. The stock-in registry serves as the primary ledger for all incoming bulk product inventory movements. Selecting a pending record allows the operator to verify supplier details against the actual quantities received. Detailed stock entries capture the precise receipt date to ensure accurate aging and inventory valuation reports. The purchase plan reference maintains strict traceability between the original procurement strategy and the final delivery. Tank assignment determines exactly where the product is stored, which is critical for capacity management and safety. Planned quantities represent the expected volume, providing a baseline for identifying any transit losses or gains. The base quantity defines the finalized volume in metric tons to standardize reporting across various measurement units. Advice reference numbers provide a unique audit trail for cross-referencing external supplier delivery notes and bills. Internal remarks document specific operational conditions or quality observations during the physical offloading and pumping process. Uploading attachment secures digital copies of physical weighbridge tickets and certificates of quality for compliance. Submitting the record finalizes the inventory increase and updates the terminal's real-time stock position for sales. This integrated workflow ensures procurement accuracy, maintains inventory integrity, and streamlines terminal operations for the business. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.